Hello and welcome to the basic tutorial slash setup of Jamppu's overlay manager, designed around shoutcasters for Battlefield. It's been in practice with the Battle Epic team since Battlefield 1, and we finally got it to a state where Jamppu is able to release it to everyone to use. So this video is just to show you the basics, what you can do with the system and how to use it with your OBS. Okay, so let's get started. So once you go to the overlay webpage here, the link will be in the description for you. You simply click login. There is also a link to the Discord in which you can ask for help and support. So what we're going to do now is we're going to log in using a basic user, as if you're going to be the first time logging in. So once you log in, you notice that you've got some options here, and you're open with this blank page because you haven't set up a game yet. Each game setup is unique to the user, so you don't have to worry about your setup changing from time to time. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to go to your game settings, and you'll notice there's a lot of stuff that you can do here. And basically this is building the overlay and the game that you're going to be casting. So in this regard, we're going to be using BPL. They've got the most updated version of the overlay here. My name is A Wild Time, so I'm going to put my commentator there, and we're going to say Jamppu is going to be joining us today. Ideally, ongoing round is going to be 1. However, if you're joining in mid-game and you're setting the system up, this will just dictate whatever round that you're on. The game mode, we're going to say we're playing 8v8. Squad Conquest. Okay, there's a icon here that will switch these two teams around, so fairly straightforward. We're going to use two nice big logos here that I'm aware of. We're going to use Octopus Gaming's logo, and I'm pretty sure my friends at Pro Legion have a nice one as well. At the moment the score is 0-0. We're not even at the game yet. Match parameters. So there's two different parameters you can choose from. There's point per round and point per map. So point per round is basically every time a half is completed, it will tick up 1 point. Point per map is every time 2 rounds is completed, so 2 halves of the map, it will then tick up a point. And tickets to win round, we'll keep it at 100 for now. I'll demonstrate both types in a second. Now we're going to start adding maps. So you've got a couple of options here. You've got, as you type in, it will start showing up the maps you can choose. Or, I know on Google Chrome, Internet Explorer is a bit different. It doesn't seem to display the drop down, but it will show you a huge list of things you could do. There we go. Of all of the maps that you can choose. So we're going to say Hamada. And we're going to go Hamada again. You can pre-populate these, and again this will affect things that are going. So if ongoing rounds 2, you can input the first round score. So I'm happy with the way that looks. We're going to click Save Changes, and the game has been set up. Easy peasy, not much else to it really. So what this is going to do is going to have created our overlay. So if we go to the help section here, we'll use the using overlay graphics. You'll see that we've got some team overlays here. So if I open this image, hopefully it's going to play nice. There we go. As you can see, it's created this overlay image, and it's completely dynamic and it can change. And again, this is for BPL, and we've got a number of systems here. We've got team logo, we got the total tickets of the game so far, team tag. These are round counters. As you can see, we set up 4 rounds, so we've got 4 here, and these are the total points. And this here is all to do with team 1 Octopus. So we've also got a weight screen, and now this has got a 3-stage weight screen. We've got the pre-match, we've got the during the match, and then the post-match. What you're seeing here is the pre-match weight screen. So while you're waiting for the stream to happen, you can have this here, and it gives all of the users and viewers the information they need to know about the stream that's being casted. Casted by BPL, the stream team that we entered, a Wild Time and Jamppu, the maps and the rounds, and the 2 teams that are playing, and of course the game mode. Easy peasy. So we're going to go back to our control panel at the game, and then we're going to go switch to our OBS. So what I have here is I've got my OBS set up and I'm busy casting a game. I've got a quick sort of image here to demo that. Now the way to get the overlays in, previously you would have had to have 5 or 6 different elements just to create one overlay, and you've had to manage those through text files or editing them in OBS. That is a thing of the past. We're going to go back to our Explorer. We're going to grab the link that we saw from the help. We're going to go back to our OBS, and quite simply we're going to start adding a browser source. So this is going to be team overlay. Simply insert the overlay. Overlay is natively 1920 by 1080. Or if I could spell and type, my keyboard is a bit dodgy. By 1080. Click OK, and as you can see, the overlay has been populated. And we can simply edit this, just drag it down a bit. Awesome. Now let's go add our weight screen. Same as before. Only have to use the one. Go back to our OBS. Add browser source. Weight screen. Nice and simple. The URL 1920 by 1080. There we go. And this is going to be the last time that we touch these, other than making them visible and non-visible. Okay, awesome. So we're waiting for our game to begin. We're just starting, and we've got the stage 1 weight screen here. So we're going to come back to the control panel here, and this can be done on your phone, and it can be done on a tablet. It can be managed from anywhere. Someone can have access to this account and can manage the game for you, and it will automatically update your overlays. So to make things mega easy, in this example, Pro Legion narrowly lost the game, 98 tickets. The system automatically assumes that our team here at Octopus Gaming had won the round. We're then going to click save. It's going to commit our changes here, and then we have some actions available. We can take it to the next round and swap the teams. If you're going to be playing on a map with 2 rounds, you can go straight to the next round, keeping the teams the same, or you can just swap. We're going to go to the next round, and we're going to swap. Now remember, we had Octopus on the left and Pro Legion on the right. We're going to go back to our OBS, and we see we've entered the second stage of the weight screen, which is now going to show you the sort of between the round score. So while you're waiting for teams to get into the next server, this is what you can show. We've got the 2 teams, we've got their score, the game mode, the map that has been played, the next map coming up, the next round coming up, and your 2 commentators. Turning this off, we can see that the overlay has updated in-game, and our teams have swapped around. We can see out of the 4 rounds we set up, Octopus has won 1 here, indicated by a green marker, and we can also see they've now got 1 point on the board, and their total tickets has reached 100. Awesome. Automatically updated, no need to do anything in OBS apart from change the visibility of these. And you can do that throughout the whole game. Now we can say that Pro Legion managed to win this one. Next round and swap. We can say Octopus managed to win the next one. Next round and swap. And we'll say that our guys Octopus won the last one. Nice and easy. And that is the final round here. And now we're going to start seeing the stage 3 of the wait screen and the final outcome on the OBS. We can see the total tickets. Very, very close game, even though Octopus managed to win 3 out of the 4 rounds. And going to our wait screen, quite simply we have a winner is Octopus. So this is your final screen that you can show everyone. Final score and the breakdown of each map and the tickets and the difference between the 2 teams. All fairly simple. And that's it. There's nothing more to it. And to get ready for the next game, you can go to your game settings and simply reset. And you're ready to go for the next game. And the overlay automatically updates for you. And that is it. Nothing more to it. Now, I'm going to show you some features that we're planning to open up at some point. We're going to have hopefully try and open up the teams section here, so you can add, edit, and update teams in our database. At the moment, this can only be done by admin users. So if you have a team that you want to enter, please head to the Discord, post a picture, the team name, and the tag, and we can do that for you. The ability to add organizations. This is pretty awesome. So you can add the logo, you can add the abbreviation, full name, and a webhook to Discord. Now, the best way to show this is in the help section under organizations. What this will do is it will automatically send a message from the control panel to your Discord channel where the webhook leads. So for those who can't quite get to watch the stream, are able to follow the game with live updates as and when you save. So it's pretty good. And then the next step is we're hoping at some point soonish to get the overlay system done. And as you can see, this is everything needed to create that team overlay, each individual team score, tickets, and we have a ton of elements here, and hopefully we can add some more as and when the need arises. I hope this tutorial / demo of the system has been very helpful. I've been a wild time, and this has been Jamppu's overlay system. It's completely free, no need to pay or anything, and it's to help you guys in the community, the Battlefield community, shoutcast and start getting these games at a professional looking level. If you do wish to support Jamppu's work, there's a nice little donate button here. He puts in a tremendous amount of effort in his own time, and it's only right that we can give something back.